Good morning guys, another episode. Tana naman po. Maglalakad kami ngayon ng aking wife. Kaya ng outfit niya today.
Lakome.
I cannot.
Maglalakad kami from the building of our flat. Ang lalakarin namin is more than 2 hours. So, lakad-lakad lang habang maganda yung weather. Anong temperature today?
Oh my gosh, so difficult.
18 degrees.
19?
19 pa, oh. Malino naman.
I've been wrong before.
Oh, sige. Bumili muna kami ng karak. Yan yung pampagana ng misis ko ngayon. Ang karak pala dito ay isa sa mga favorite drinks ng mga locals dito sa Qatar. Alright. Guys, medyo nakakalayo na kami ng konti. Parang meron ng 5 minutes. 10 steps. And welcome to my sheriff.
Hit that baseline nice and slow. Talk box singing, let the
Nasa Alvida
rhythm
Park na
flow.
kami.
Palm trees swaying, do you feel that breeze? Rolling down the boulevard, feeling at ease. Cruising, moving on that West Coast ride.
So guys, nakaka 5 kilometers pa lang kami. Malayo-layo pa kami.
Mas marami pa yung video sa lakad mo.
When in fact there's no evidence of that.
Sa may West Bay.
Hit that baseline nice and slow. Talk box singing, let the rhythm flow. Palm trees swaying, do you feel that breeze?
Nandito na kami sa Al-Hazam Mall. Open yung lugar. Tapos may mga AC sila yan. Mga AC vents. Kaya kahit na makikita nyo doon sa taas, open siya. Pero hindi mainit dito. Napakalamig ng mga AC nila.
Wow. That was amazing.
Hit that baseline nice and slow. Talk box singing, let the rhythm flow.
Yan guys, nakasama namin kayo doon sa paglalakad namin. Hanggang dito na lang. Bye!